Conducting a department review. A link for the funding proposal ready for review is provided in the email you will receive from do-not-reply-pacs@albany.edu. This link will bring you to the login screen for PACS. Alternatively, you can log into the PACS portal via the link on our website. From the Grants tab, you will select the proposal that you are ready to review. Click on it, and it brings you to the proposal workspace. This is the main proposal workspace where you will be able to identify the name of the PI, the department, the RA involved, the sponsor, the proposal due date, as well as budgeting information. You'll also be identified whether there's cost sharing involved. You'll now enter the proposal by clicking View Funding Proposal. Use the Jump To option at the top of the page and go to Campus-Specific Documents. Open up the campus impact statement under the Upload Completed Files here, and it is important to review the questions as there are questions that could impact your department should this proposal be awarded, items such as space needs or security requirements. The next page we want you to jump to is Project Plan Attachments. On the Project Plan Attachments, you'll find a summary, a narrative or a strategy, a detailed budget, and a budget justification. Other items such as waiver requests, the RFP, subrecipient forms will be found under the Other. Click Exit, and you'll be back to the main proposal workspace. Next, you will check the credit distribution found here at the left of the workspace. Your PI and your co-investigators, their departments, and the proposal credit will be listed here. Click OK to bring you back to the main proposal workspace. If you have any questions regarding the proposal, you have the option now to email the PI through the system, and it will also go to the RA. You can email the team to ask questions, or you can add a comment if there's a concern that you have that you want to note that will remain a permanent part of the proposal file. It's important to take this step in order to get answers to questions you may have before you're able to approve the proposal. If you do reject the proposal, it will go back to the beginning of the routing cycle. Once you are comfortable with approving the proposal and have all the information that you need, you will click Review Proposal. And if you want to add any comments, you can do so here. And you'll click Approve. And you'll click OK.